What's going on, YouTube? Naeem back in the building. Quick video, man. Yes, we got the iPhone 14. As if the one I had right now, as if the iPhone I had right now wasn't high quality. I have the iPhone 11 currently, 4K, 30 frames. That's how we get it in. If y'all want some good quality, 4K, 30 frames. If y'all want it to look a little too fast and too crispy, go to 60 frames. But I don't use 60 frames because I do everything on 30 frames. I shoot music videos. I do everything on 4K 30 frames. Yes, we got the purple, the new iPhone 14. I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. It's the greatest thing that ever happened to iPhone. That's what I think about it. Tell me what you think about it now. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Let's get some B-roll. Just got it. Haven't even finished setting it up yet. Put a screen protector on it and put a case on it. So it doesn't come with a screen protector. It doesn't come with a case. But cheat code, go to 5 and below. 5 and below got all the iPhone 14 cases, and they got the screen protectors for your iPhone. Yes, I have Apple TV, all that stuff set up because I just have everything Apple, MacBooks, everything. So if y'all interested and y'all like this, man, I recommend y'all go get the 14. But if you already had a 13 Pro, I see what everybody's saying. It's kind of the same phone, kind of. But when you get into it, it's nothing alike. Trust me when I tell you, don't miss out on a great camera. As you can see, my iPhone 11 camera is impeccable. So I could just imagine what this is going to do. All right, so this is what comes in the box. It doesn't come with a wall block like all the other iPhones used to. It comes with stickers and information on what you should do. You no longer need a physical SIM card to activate your phone. So it's eSIM. I know in Toronto and places like that, they give you a physical SIM. So based on where you live, you'll know what to do, man. They'll let you know. But yeah, man, hold on to your cords. If you have iPhone before, keep your headphones because you're going to need the same headphones to plug into this. Yeah, man, that's basically it, man. Go get you one and enjoy it, man. Get you some high quality. I'm about to cut this video, man. Just wanted to show off the iPhone real quick. Next couple videos might be shot on the iPhone 14 Pro. Yes, I have the Pro, the 14, and the 14 Pro are completely different phones. The 14 to the 14 Pro is like night and day. So get you the 14 Pro. You don't even need the 14 Pro Max because the Pro and the Max are the same thing. The Max is about 2 inches bigger. So if you got big hands, get you the Max. If you got little hands like me, get you the Pro.